Clackett. It's a wonderful play of Robin's, dear Robin Housemonger, and I'm very proud of such a lovely group of people here, such wonderful friends. After doing quite a lot of telly, my late husband said to me, "Darling, go back on the balls, that's what you're training for." So here we are, and I'm enjoying it immensely. Thank you.
Yes, Lloyd Dallas director. Of course, I should really be doing my Shakespeare Aberystwyth, which is what I normally am doing. In fact, I'm going to be shooting up there on the 7:25 shortly after this performance. But I thought I'd just drop in and see how they're getting on. There's a lot of strange people here. Selsdon Mowbray and his father, the great Chelmsford Mowbray, who he lives in the shadow of, but I have to keep an eye on them all. Then there's the others like Belinda and Freddie. I have to keep an eye on them. But they're coming together, and I've got good hopes for the show.
Yeah, Garry Lejeune, he plays Roger Tramplemain in the show. I've worked with a lot of companies, you know, a lot of directors. I've got a lot of experience behind me. Why I'm playing at the Grand Theatre in Weston-super-Mare, frankly, beats me. I've worked with better companies, but they're nice people. They're nice people. So whether I'll do one again, do you know what I mean?
Hello, my name is Brooke Ashton, and I am playing Vicki in... Nothing on!
Frederick playing Philip Brent, the owner of a 16th century converted posset mill in the play Nothing On. I just drive back the textile actually, because we're not out in the country, so we don't till the revenue here. And unfortunately, real life, my wife's left me for a red setter. There we are. Sorry, thank you.
Hello, my sweet precious. My name is Belinda, and I'm playing the lovely, lovely part of Flavia in this really wonderful play. I do hope you're going to come and see it. It's called Nothing On, and it really is a wonderful play.
My name is Selsdon Mowbray, son of the great Chelmsford Mowbray, who you may have seen gracing the West End. I play the part of the burglar in this wonderful production. Marvellous. It's been such a joy, such a joy.
Tim Allgood in Noises Off, and I'm, excuse me, I'm the company stage manager, and I do lots of things, screwing and banging and stuff as usual. Nothing new there.
You just might get the way, because I've got to get there now. Please, because if I'm late, I'm going to be in ever so much trouble. Could you mind? Sorry.